we've been tracking all of our expenses for 30 days. If you've not finished tracking a full 30 days, make sure that you've gone through and listed out 30 full days of all of your outflows from giving to rent to restaurants to insurance and all your inflows, any income that you've had come into your household. Now that you've tracked all of this in our tracking sheet, I want to show you something that we've been hiding this whole time. If you'll go down to this little hamburger bar, these three lines, and click on it, it'll show there's a hidden tab called the Create Your Budget tab. I want you to click on this, and it's probably going to say, hey, you're not allowed to edit this. That's all right. Hit OK. And then go ahead and go to the spending guideline and open that as well. These two forms are extremely important. So we've hidden them so the first 30 days, all we did was track. Now we're going to have all of this information automatically imported into this new tool called Creating Your Budget. I'll let Leo explain more, but I'm excited for you to see how the tool works.
If you've tracked your income and expenses on the tracking list or entered the totals from your manual tracking forms, you now have a record of a typical month of income and spending, an important milestone on your financial journey. Now let's take that information and build your first budget using the Create Your Budget form. Your tracking data gives you a snapshot of 1 month, but some expenses like annual insurance, car maintenance, or holiday gifts don't happen monthly. You'll need to identify these irregular expenses and come up with the average monthly amount for each, so you can include them as you create your own budget. Now this workbook includes a spending guideline. It provides suggested budget percentages for different income levels and family types. This guideline was developed using information taken from actual families that were managing money successfully and the specific percentage they were spending in each category. Its purpose is to help you have a reference point from which you can build your own budget. Let's apply the spending guideline in order to build a budget. Choose the guideline that best matches your income and family type. Enter these percentages in the guideline percentage column of the Create Your Budget form. As you do, the form will calculate and enter the suggested amounts for each main category. Once complete, the next step is to compare your own spending to the guideline. Look for significant differences between your spending and the suggested guideline. If your amounts are greater, we suggest adjusting your discretionary expenses, like recreation or dining out. A great strategy is to enter all your fixed expenses first and then allocate what's available to the rest of your categories. But the goal is to make sure every dollar is assigned without exceeding your income. So keep an eye on the net income minus expenses cell. This number will diminish as you enter the amounts in your budget categories. You're looking to get down to zero, indicating that you've assigned every dollar of your income, but no more and no less. And that's it. You now have a working budget. In the next step, we'll introduce you to the yearly budget, the final and only form you'll need to manage your money successfully going forward.